Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a really nice CAT 315 BL here. Extremely clean tractor. Got a CAT bucket on it. Real nice thumb. Cab's really clean on this tractor. It has heat and AC. It's sitting here running, idling. Burns clean. Clean boom. Very strong hydraulics. This tractor's got great pump pressure. This is an X-County tractor. I was told it was bought brand new, showing 7,700 hours, actual hours. The hour meter does work. Now, I can't guarantee that. I didn't buy this tractor new, but I'm just telling you what I was told. It seems to look and act the part. The undercarriage is very good. It's got a few wrinkles in this undercarriage from setting up, from lack of use. But look at those rails. It's got good rails, good pads. I'll open this up for you. It's real clean through here. Chris is going to show us a few things here, how it runs, acts. And here we go. I really like this tractor. Probably need to put you some PB blaster on those little old links in the chain where it's set up. Run it, they'll come out. Turns real good, stops like it should. You don't hear any snap, crackle, pop on that Rotec bearing. Real smooth hydraulics. Just pushes that tractor up like nobody's business. And it'll sit there and hold. If you're looking for a nice 315 BL, this is a pretty nice tractor. And these BLs you can work on. You don't necessarily have to call CAT every 5 minutes to come put a computer on it. If we can help you in any way, let us know.